Okay, dahil madami na nagtatanong kung saan kami nagstay sa Osaka, Japan, kaya ngayon isi-share ko na sa inyo. Super convenient and budget-friendly tong place na to, so let's go. We booked this place through Airbnb. Kaya if you're planning to go to Osaka with family or friends, highly recommended din namin to. It can accommodate up to 6 people. Kami, 5 lang kami, so super spacious na siya for us. Yung location niya, 3 minutes walk lang to Nipponbashi Station. Sobrang dali lang mag-commute papuntang Kyoto, Nara, at Kobe. 5 minutes walk lang to Koromon Market, kaya everyday fresh food galore. And then 14 minutes walk lang to Dotonbori, kaya lakad-lakad lang at hindi mo na kailangan mag-train. And guess what? May 7-Eleven din sa baba ng building. Complete amenities na rin siya. May washing machine, refrigerator, microwave, stove, electric kettle, cooking tools, hair dryer, at may provided towels na rin. May malapit na supermarket if gusto nyo ring magluto. We booked this sa Airbnb for 40,026 pesos. Good for 5 people for 8 days and 7 nights na yon. So, per person, lumalabas lang na 1,144 pesos per night. For us, super worth it na to for its price. Plus points din na yung host is sobrang responsive and helpful. As in, sinasagot talaga nila lahat ng questions namin. If gusto nyo rin tong i-book sa Airbnb, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa comment section. Pero kung ayaw nyo mag-Airbnb, no worries dahil madami ring hotels sa Klook app at meron rin kayong makikita mga affordable. You can use my Klook code KATIPKLOOK para makasave pa kayo sa bookings nyo. Ayun lang, and see you on my next travel vlogs. Babush!